Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to make your Twitter account private. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to make your Twitter account private, let's open up our Twitter app first. After opening your Twitter app, the interface will be similar to this, where on the top left corner of your screen you can see your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon like this, and over here on this interface you can see the settings and privacy option available at the bottom of the screen. Just above the help center, tap on settings and privacy, and over here on this interface you can see the privacy and safety option available over here. Just below the monetization, tap on privacy and safety, and again on this interface you can see your Twitter activity on the top, and under that category there is the audience and tagging. Tap on audience and tagging like this, and over here you can see the protect your tweets option available over here. Just beside that there is the toggle icon for the protect your tweets. If you tap on that toggle icon like this and it turns to blue, then your account will be private or your tweets will be protected. Only your current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your Twitter or tweets, which means that your account is already private when you turn on this toggle icon. And there guys, this is how you make your Twitter account private. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.